In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ginger oil to grow your hair super fast. Ginger has amazing stimulating and healing qualities. This aromatic, pungent and spicy root is liberally used in Asian kitchens. It's often used to treat colds, coughs and headaches. Ginger is cheap to buy and is available all year round in grocery stores. Ginger is becoming increasingly popular as a hair growth stimulant. The warming and stimulating effects of ginger to work increase the scalp circulation and encourage healthy hair growth. Ginger contains an antioxidant called gingerol, which helps to fight free radicals. You've got to keep them away as these can damage your hair cells and cause hair thinning and hair loss. Ginger is also a great hair conditioner. Rich in minerals and essential oils, it makes hair more manageable, softer and shinier. Besides, ginger is a useful remedy for dandruff and dry, itchy scalp. It also contains a natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic property that helps to keep the scalp healthy and clean. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple recipe to make ginger oil to grow your hair super fast. This oil nourishes the roots of your hair and thus strengthens the hair roots and can make your hair healthy and thick. So make use of this herbal oil within a few days and its magical results will surprise you. You're going to need ginger juice from ginger root and 3 spoons of castor oil. Firstly, peel off the ginger, grate it and then extract it from the juice. Now add 3 tablespoons of castor oil to the 1 tablespoon of ginger juice you've extracted. Mix both ingredients well so they both infuse with each other and your homemade ginger oil is now ready for use. Apply this to your scalp and hair gently and massage it in for 2 minutes. Then leave it on for around 40 minutes to soak the oil into the hair roots and scalp. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo and conditioner to finish. Repeat this process 2 times in a week for the best results. So why does it work so well? Ginger contains magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and vitamins which help in making your hair stronger, healthier and shinier. It strengthens the roots of your hair and naturally makes your scalp healthier and stronger. It also tends to boost your hair growth. Castor oil contains antioxidants that have antibacterial and antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants help prevent the oxidation of free radicals that cause aging, and antibacterial agents in the castor oil help fight conditions such as dandruff and head lice. I hope you've enjoyed this video on ginger oil for hair growth, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to watch this next video on the benefits and side effects of biotin for hair growth, skin and nails. Thanks for watching and bye for now.